Here we go with some playtime. I'm trying to use the same colors. I'm using the same colors that I used in a previous painting of this size to kind of match it up. So here we go. I'm just going to, got the base paint on here, and I'm just going to lay the puddles. Oh, wow. I love how these colors blended so very much. I'm going to have to use these colors once again. They're just turning out to be pretty awesome together. And so a lot of activity developed in blowing this out. I must say, I really like what happened. Looks a little space opera there. Anyway, yeah, that was a fun blow. I'm so in love with these colors, you guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.